Hello friends, welcome to SET and UGC NET exam Teaching Aptitude MCQ Series. This is episode 8. You can watch previous episodes. So the rules of this episode is like you pause the video when question appears on your screen and try to answer the question. Anyways, I'll be answering the question right there itself. And if possible, write down your score in comment section. So friends, today I am discussing the MCQs from communication section. The first MCQ for today is listening to a lecture is A. Information listening, B. Evaluative listening, C. Emphatic listening, D. None of these. So friends, it cannot be emphatic listening and none of this. So two option C and D eliminated. So whether it is evaluative listening or information listening. So when you are listening, sometimes most of the time you may not be aware of the topic what speaker is telling to you. So you are generally getting the information in most of the time. Sometimes you may be you are aware of the information and he is adding it, but still you are not evaluating it. So the correct answer for this is information listening. Once you listen it, then you start evaluating it after that, but initially it is a information listening. So the correct answer is information listening. Now moving on to the next question. So reading on TV is superior. Teaching on TV is superior to classroom instruction because option A is very large classes are made possible and thus it is economically advantageous. This is correct. Be an expert for teaching a difficult topic can be arranged and other can be benefited from them. That is also correct because sometimes in rural areas you don't it is very difficult to travel and if the expert is simple thing is expert stays in Delhi and he has to deliver a lecture in Chennai. So for him to give a hour 1 hour lecture he should travel at least by aeroplane 6-7 hours. So it is not feasible for an expert. So it is easy to arrange a expert. Now option C is teaching material can be filmed for a reuse. Yeah, that is true because once you have a lecture you can always play it and you have it. So the correct option here is all of the above. So all of this is correct option. Hope friends you have understood it. Now moving on to the next question. So next question is following are the experimental learning activities adopted by a teacher. Arrange them in a cyclic order. So friends, the first is accommodation, second is converging, third is assimilation, and fourth is diverging. So first thing a lecturer should do is diverging, like divide into the groups, and the second thing is assimilation. Now assimilation is the second thing. So here and third second third thing you should do is converging, like arrange them in a single this thing, and the final thing you store it in the memory, that is accommodation, that is B, option B. So the correct option for this is B. Friend, this is very important because most of the time question are asked on this thing. Okay friends, so hope you have understood. So the correct option for this is option B. Okay friends, now moving on to the next question. So next question is listening is badly affected by a message overload, excess of listened material. Yeah, this is true. High speed of speaking, this also affects the listening. A sizable hearing loss or physiological problem, this also is there. So the correct option for this is all of the above. So friend, this is the next question. Which of the following method of communication is most effective? Now first is a presenting written material. So this is not effective. You cannot just present a written material. Then presenting a written material along with film projector, this is okay, effective. And multimedia presentation. So here you have variety of learning experiences can be given when you are presenting via multimedia. So the amongst three, it appears that C is the most effective learning most effective communication this thing. So the correct answer for this is C, that is multimedia method. Friends, hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please subscribe, and I'll be making around 50, I'll be covering around 50 questions from each of the topic for this syllabus, so you can subscribe for that also. I'll try to cover 50 question each, like there are 10 topics for set and UGC net examination, so I'll cover 50 MCQs from each topic. So I'll try to cover at least 500 to 1000 MCQs before your examination. So for that, you subscribe to our channel and watch our previous episode. Thank you, friends.